Welcome back guys, today we have an exciting product to review, the GEEKOM Mini IT12 Mini PC, which is powered by a mighty 12-core 12th Gen Core i7 processor. The onboard Iris Xe graphics offers a decent performance in modern gaming titles, and tasks like browsing, media streaming and video editing are just a breeze for the IT12 Mini. Let's dive right in and check its specs, features, performance in games, and overall user experience. So, as we open the box, the first thing we see is the GEEKOM Mini IT12 PC itself. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for those who need a powerful machine without taking up too much space on your desk. Next, we have a thank you card from GEEKOM, which is a nice little touch. We also get an HDMI cable, the power brick and the power cable. We also get a VESA mount. Since this is a mini PC, you can mount it on the back of your TV or monitor. First things first, let's talk about the design of the Mini IT12. This mini PC boasts a sleek and compact form factor, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a space-saving solution without sacrificing performance. The aluminum construction not only adds to its durability and lightweight, but also provides excellent heat dissipation, ensuring optimal performance even during intense tasks and heavy use. As you can see, we have vent holes on 3 sides, and in my tests, the PC never reached about 65 degrees Celsius. When it comes to connectivity, this little machine offers a wide range of options. It features multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, USB 2.0 port, and 2 USB 4 ports, allowing you to connect various peripherals effortlessly. HDMI outputs are also available, making it convenient to connect to external displays or TVs. The GEEKOM Mini IT12 can power 2 8K displays and 2 4K displays, allowing 4 monitors to display different content simultaneously. Additionally, there's an Ethernet port if you're looking for a reliable and fast wired internet connection. The IT12 also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, giving you the flexibility to connect wirelessly to other devices. So, before we hook up the mini PC, let's first open it up. As you can see, the PC is very compact. We have two 8GB sticks of DDR4 RAM and the 512GB Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. If you want more storage space, there's also a slot for M.2 2242 SATA SSD. The bottom cover also doubles as a mounting bracket for a 2.5-inch SSD, so definitely lots of storage options. Setting up the GEEKOM Mini IT12 is a breeze. Simply connect the HDMI cable to your monitor, plug in the power adapter, and you are good to go. The initial setup process is straightforward and user-friendly, and we are greeted by a fresh new install of Windows 11 Pro, allowing you to get up and running within a minute. Now let's talk about the performance. The GEEKOM Mini IT12 packs a punch with its Core i7 2060p. We have 12 cores and 16 threads to work with. Whether you are multitasking, editing videos, or even gaming, this mini PC handles it all with ease. The idle temperatures are at around 30 degrees, which is very good. As I mentioned, the 16GB RAM working in dual channel at 3200 MHz ensures smooth performance even in memory-hungry apps and games. First, let's fire up Cinebench R23. We get a multi-score of 8804 and an excellent single-core performance of 1652 points. In Geekbench, we have 14,791 OpenCL and 2154 single-core and 8852 multi-core score. Now let's see how those scores translate to real-world performance as we test the Mini IT12 with some of the more popular games. First on our list is Forza Horizon 5, running at 1080p resolution at low settings. And we actually managed to get quite a decent performance at around 45 to 50 FPS. We can see that the internal GPU is close to 100% usage, while the CPU sits comfortably at 26%, which shows how capable the CPU is. And of course, the internal GPU is the bottleneck in this situation. Temperature-wise, the CPU remains quite cool at only 62 degrees. As you probably noticed, I'm using the Xbox controller via Bluetooth, and I'm also using my TV soundbar as a Bluetooth speaker, which turned out to work really well. So in Forza Horizon 5, I'm actually really happy with how the mini PC performs. Next we have GTA 5, which also runs really well, running at medium to low settings at 1080p at around 65 FPS. Now I tested 4 more games before GTA 5, and as you can see, the CPU temperature is still at 65 degrees, so I guess that's probably the highest temperature that you're going to see on the Mini IT12.
This is fucked, man! The thing is blown! I got my share! It's still wide open! Up here! Let's go! Come on! Fuck you! Come on! Let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train! We're getting there! Coming our way! Be cool! They ain't made this car yet. Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Shit! Roadblock! Go right! Beat the train, man! Guess all right? Fuck! Come on! Fix the car, all right? We can go this way to the chopper. No, hey, stick to the plan. What?
Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
Woo! You wanna get whips like this, you gotta stay on your gridiron.
Nigga ain't too some time over nickels and dimes. I stick to repos, dawg.
Moving on to PUBG, a game that's notorious for being poorly optimized. We're managing to get a good 35 to 40 FPS at medium to low settings. I didn't experience any major FPS drops, and overall the experience was pretty smooth. Next we got Fortnite. We'll be testing the game first on the performance mode, which gives us a buttery smooth FPS between 90 and all the way up to 144 FPS. In the DirectX 11 rendering mode, we're getting better graphics quality but at the cost of performance, and we're still getting an impressive 60 to 70 FPS. As I mentioned at the beginning, the IT12 also supports multiple monitors, which is really helpful if you need extra screen real estate. So guys, overall I'm quite happy with the GEEKOM Mini IT12 mini PC. It impresses with its compact design, powerful performance and versatile connectivity options. It's a great choice for professionals needing a reliable workstation or home users seeking multimedia hub or some light gaming. The GEEKOM Mini IT12 checks all the boxes and offers a fantastic user experience. You can find links to the GEEKOM store in the video description, and you can use our discount code for extra price drop. That wraps up our unboxing and review of the GEEKOM Mini IT12 mini PC. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more similar content. Thanks for watching, and until next time.